Okay, good morning everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning. My health is not good, that's why I didn't make the video also. Now, what I am going to teach, that I am recording, that only I will send to you again. If you disturb anything, you can watch the video again. Okay? Okay, first of all now, yesterday I said to you, write the 1 to 10 tables also. Did you learn the 10 tables? 1 to 10 tables I said to learn the multiplication tables. And when should we do the multiplication? I explained you. When the same number is adding continuously, when the same number is adding so many number of times, then we will do the multiplication. Multiplication we will do by using the multiplication tables. So multiplication tables already you have learned. So 5 table, 6 table, 7 table, 8 table, 9 table, 10 table. So then after, if there are more than 10, if there are more than 10, so suppose if this is there, 18 into 5 I want to find. 18 into 5. How do you do that? You don't know the 18 table. Then how do you do the 18 fives are? You see, I will do one thing. You know the small tables, but you don't know the big tables, no? By using the small tables only, you can find this. How you see? You watch it. I am saying. This 18 is there, no? I am splitting the 18 into small numbers.
90.
I am splitting the 18 into small numbers. So listen, Aisha, listen. What I am saying, not answer. Actually, you have learnt the tables up to 10 only, but I have given here 18 table. So it is not possible to you because you didn't learn. Then how do you make that? Means what tables you know, according to that number we have to split it. Sharanya, don't do. See here. Split it. Split the number. Split the 18 into small numbers. You see, I am splitting the 18 into 10 and 8. I know the 10 table and I know the 8 table. I know the 10 table and I know the 8 table. If I split like that, then I will use the 10 table and I will use the 8 table because I know 10 table and 8 table. Sakshika, watch here. I know the 10 table and 8 table. So that's why I changed the 18 as 10 and 8. Now you see, use the 10 table. 10 fives are 50. 8 fives are 40. You know these both tables, 10 table and 8 table. 10 fives are 50, 8 fives are 40. Then I will add this both. I will get 90. That is 18 fives are. So what tables you know? Up to 10 tables only you know. But 18 table you made as before 10 tables. How you made? You split the number. How? 18 you have taken as 10 and 8. 18 you have taken as 10 and 8. 10 fives are 50. 8 fives are 40. Then totally it is 50 and 40 will become 90. Not only this, like this, maybe you can say, sir, I can write the 18 as 9 and 9. Yes, you can do like that also. 9 and 9 also you can take. Yes or no? 9 and 9 also you can take. 9 fives are, you know that 45. 9 fives are 45. 45 and 45 together will be 90. So okay, do you understand? So big numbers, if you have the big numbers, you will split the big numbers. You will split means you will change it to small numbers like this. Then after you will add it. Okay, but in this, especially this method is good. Splitting into tens because 10 table is easy to you. One table easy, one table may be difficult. But here if you write like this, two tables also will be difficult for you. Suppose you see here 13 5s are, I want to know. 13 5s are means how I am splitting now? 10 and 3. Now you multiply 10 table, you know 10 5s are 50. 3 table, you know 3 5s are 15. And I will add this both. 50 and 15 will be 65. Say maybe you can do it different way also. Maybe you can say that 13 I can divide as 7 and 6. 7 and 6 also will become 13. 7 and 6 also we can split. So this is 7 5s are 35. 6 5s are 30. Now 35 and 30 will become also 65. Okay, this is a two ways also you can follow. Better finally you say to me which method is better. Like this is better, like this is better. Which method is better? 10 and 3 will be better now. Instead of 7 and 6, 7 table, 6 table both are difficult. But when you take these tables, 3 table, 5 table, sorry, 10 table and 3 table both are easy now. That's why I am saying to you, better to split into round figures. Round figures means tens. Better to separate the number or split the number into round figures. That is tens like that. Okay, do you understand? Now some other examples I will say to you. Listen carefully. You do one thing now. Now what I am teaching, that I am recording also. After recording I will send to you. That time you can write in the notebook. Now no need to write in the notebook. After completing everything, I will send the video. From the video you write the notes. And I am giving some other examples. See here, 25 into 6. 25 into 6. So what should we do? You know, 25 we will split into different small numbers. See how I am splitting. 10, 10, 5. Can I split like that? 25 will become 10, 10, 5 now. Now you can multiply. 10 6 are 60. 10 6 are 60. 5 6 are 30. And add them up. 60, 60, 120, 120, 30, 150. So this method if you follow, in brain also you can do. Without using paper, in brain also you can do. You can split like that and you can multiply and you can add in brain only. Okay, you see this 23 into 7. Very good. 10, 10, 3. Then you will multiply with 7. 10 7s are 70. 10 7s are 70. 3 7s are 21. 70, 70, 140. 140 and 20, 160 and 1. So totally the answer will be 161. 161. Okay, do you understand? So this is the method I am going to follow to do the multiplications. Bigger, when the multiplication is bigger numbers, then I will follow this method. Okay? Okay, now I am showing some problems to you. We will solve the problems which are in the page number 53. Verbal problems are there. Can you see them? Page number 53. There are some verbal problems in the page number 53. Do this. Page number 53, 53, 53. Page number 53. Do this. Yes, do this. What is the first bit? You see that. Split the numbers as you like and multiply. However you want, you split the number like that. What is the first question? 18 into 9. How do you split? Very good. 10 and 8. You will split into 10 and 8. And you will multiply with 9. 10 nines are, 8 nines are, you will multiply, then after you will add the numbers. Okay, now 17 into 6. How do you split? 17 into 6. Okay, 10 and 7. So I am writing a little bit here. You can do that afterwards. I am not completely writing here. First one is 18 into 9. Means you are splitting 10 and 8. And you are multiplying with 9. 10 and 8. 10 plus 8 you are taking. And you are multiplying with 9. Otherwise, I will make one box better. Box I see. I am separating this 10 and 8. I am multiplying with 9. 9 tens are, you will write here. 9 8s are, you will write here. After adding, you write the answer here. Okay? Okay, one more example is 17 into 6. How do you write? And with 6. Third number 19 into 8. Very good. 10 and 9. We will multiply with 8. Next 26 into 7. Very good. 10, 10, 6. You will multiply with 7. After multiplying, you will add this. Okay, this is the way of doing the first bit. Okay, now you don't need to write. After completing this class, I am sending video. In that video, you can copy these all and you can answer it. What girl? Not now. After completing class. Okay, one more verbal problem is second verbal problem. You see. I am reading, just listen. In a plantation, there are 12 rows of mango trees. If in each row there are 10 trees, how many mango trees are there in the plantation? What do you understand? There are 12 rows of trees are there. There are 12 rows are there. So what you are finding, you write it here. 12 rows are there. And in each row, how many trees are there? 10. Very good. 10 trees are there in each row. 10 trees in each row. What you have to find? Total number of trees. Total trees are how many? How to find it? How do you find it? What should we do to find answer? In first row 10, in second row 10, in third row 10, in fourth row 10. Like that, how many rows are there? 12 rows are there. In every row 10 plants are there. Totally how many plants are there is the question. So means what should we do? Very good, multiplication. You see here, in your classroom benches are there. In every bench 3 members can sit. In each bench 3 members can sit. Like that 5 seats, 5 benches are there. How many children will be sitting means what answer you will give? So what you will say? 5 3s are 15. We will say the answer 5 3s are 15. Is it or not? Like that, in this problem also you need to multiply. What are the numbers you will multiply? 12 into 10. Can you do that multiplication? Very easy answer. 12 tens are how much? So you answer it. I am not asking. Number 3. Question number 3. There are 18 rows in a bus. There are 18 rows in 5 passengers can sit in each row. 5 passengers can sit in each row. Then how many passengers can sit in the bus? Means what should we do? Very good. Multiplication is the same like this. So how many rows are there? What are we finding here? How many rows are there? 18 rows are there. In every row, how many seats are there? 5 seats are there. 5 seats in each row. Now totally how many seats? Total seats you have to find. So what should we do? Multiplication we will do. Multiplication also you know the process like set of big numbers means split the number and do it. After doing that, here there are 3 buses like that. There are 3 buses like that. So how many children, how many seats, how many passengers will be there? So after completing answer, I am asking again how many 3 buses are there. So how many seats are there? You are finding answer in each bus. Are in each bus. Now finally how to find total seats in 3 buses. So what should we do? Multiplication. In one bus how many are coming? You can find here no. After finding that number you write here. And then you multiply with the 3. Then you can get the answer. Okay? Do you understand? No, I am roughing this, no problem. But afterwards I said to you, this video I will send in the WhatsApp to you. Then you can copy these all steps. Then you answer it. Okay? Now if you write, it will take lot of time. That's why I am recording. No problem. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4. Rani's age is 9 years. Rani's age is 9 years. Her mother's age is thrice her age. Do you know what is the meaning of thrice? 3 times. Twice means 2 times. Thrice means 3 times. Rani's age is 9 years. Her mother's age is thrice her age. So what is the Rani's mother's age? How do you find it? Very good. 3 times. Times means already how done yesterday only. Times. Times means what should we do? Multiplication. 1 time means 1 table. 2 times 2 table. 3 times 3 table. 4 times 4 table. Already in the magic pipe we have done yesterday. Do you remember magic pipe problems? In magic pipe problems I have said to you know, like that only you can do this. So what we can do here? So first of all, what I am writing here? Rani's age. So how many years you write it? After that I am what you know here? Mother's age is 3 times. 3 times of her. So means now what are you going to find? Mother's age. Means what should we do? What are the numbers you have to multiply? Very good. 9 into 3. Then you will get the answer. Okay. Now question number 5. Question number 5. If four children can sit on a bench in classroom, then how many children can sit in 22 benches? What should we do? Same like this for morning. First I asked the question. In each bench 3 are there. In 5 benches how many are there? 5 3s are 15 he said. Like that one. Okay, what do you write here steps? First, how many benches are there? How many benches are there, you know? 22 benches are there. So in one bench, how many members are sitting? can sit on one bench. Now, so total how many members you have to find it now? Total children. You have to find total children. So what do you do? What are the numbers you have taken and multiplied? Can you say to me? What are the numbers you have to multiply? 22 into 4. 22 into 4. That I said to you know. 10, 10, 2. Divide like that. 10, 10, 2 into 4 you do it. Okay? Okay. And last problem left here in this. That is the question number 6. Yes. Question number 6. One pen costs 8 rupees. One pen costs 8 rupees. How much is the cost of 48 pens? One pen costs 8 rupees. How much is the cost of 48 pens? What should we do? We know cost of one pen. We want to find out the cost of 48 pens. We know cost of one pen is equal to how many rupees? Okay, now what are you going to find? Cost of how many pens? I have kept dash here. You have right number. Here what you write? 48. Then how do you find the answer? Like this, any time you should do multiplication only. You know cost of one chocolate. You are finding cost of 10 chocolates. You know cost of one cake. You are finding cost of 10 cakes. So if you know cost of one thing, if you are finding cost of more things, what should we do? We should do the multiplication compulsory. Remember that, okay? So now what should we do here? We should do the multiplication 48 into 4. Okay, what is the method you will follow for this? 8 to 48 no. And you are multiplying with 4. 4 10s are 40. 4 10s are 40. 40. 40. 4 8s are 32. 40, 40, 40, 40. How many 40s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 times are there. 4 times 40 will be 160. 160 and it is 30. 190 and 2. 192 rupees. Okay, this one maybe sir here 90 is there, means 9 times I will take. Then I will make another easy method. Okay, so here what is that? 48 is there, no? 48 into 4 is there, no? I will split that into 40 and 8 only. 40 and 8. Then I will multiply with 4. So this is very easy. 4 40 is also easy. 4 40s. You know simple way. 4 40s means 4 4s are 16 side 0. You understand? 4 40s how do you write? 4 4s are 16 side 0. 4 8s are 32. Now you see 160 and 30. 190 and 2. So 192. Okay. Instead of doing along, you can do like this short also. Okay. Some other examples I will say to you. You can understand very well. I am giving some other examples like that. Now you need to do this in the page number 53. In page number how to do. Okay, now some other examples you see. 75 into 3. How do you split? 70 and 5. Multiply with 3. This is very easy. 3 sevens are 21, side 0. 3 sevens are 21, 1 0. Next, 3 fives are 15. Okay, now you can see here 210 and 10, 220 and 5, 225. 87 fours are 80 and 7. Multiply with 4. Then this is I said to you easy. 8 4 8s are 32, side 0. 320. 4 7s are 28. 320 and 20. 340 and 8. 348 is answer. So very easy, not very difficult. 96 into 6. 90 and 6. You will multiply with 6. 6 nines are 54, side 0, 540. Side 0 you have to keep because 90 no. Next 6 6 are 36. 540, 30, 570 and 6, 576. Okay, do you understand? Okay, like this homework you need to do. What is the homework you know? Do this in page number 53 and 10. Like this 10 multiplications you have to do. Go your wish. 10 own multiplications like above. So here above this I have given those 3 examples. Like this you have to take 10 more. Simple, you do one thing. Any one number you take. 38. 38 ones are 38 twos are 38 threes are 38 fours are, like that you do. Means 38 table you write. Otherwise 72 table you write. Otherwise 48 table you write. Anyhow 48 ones are 48 twos are 48 threes are, like the 10 questions you take. Okay. I think you have understand. If any disconnections problems are there, I am saying to you, even notes also, to write the notes also, I have recorded the same class. Now I am sending this class to video to you. You can write the steps and complete the answers. That all steps I have given now for the do this. You can copy the steps, no problem. Questions are, yes, write the